DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A-Class, finished in grey. It's got the upgraded multi-spoke alloy wheels. Really is in lovely condition. It's got the AMG body styling kit throughout. It's the A200. Lovely rear diffuser on the AMG, really sets it off. Fantastic. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but they're all kept inside for any weather viewing in our showroom. Boot area, rear parcel shelf. Got the lovely half leather Alcantara red stitch piping AMG seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Six-speed gearbox, just started up, starts lovely. It's on 801 miles. Got multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, automatic headlights. We've got satellite navigation on this as well. Bluetooth connectivity. Lovely finish to the dash, just doesn't look like it's 800 mileage, there's no marks on it. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.